Well, I'm getting a package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Swiss Link. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And for the sake of time, you can see here I've actually taken the items out of a lot of bubble wrap that was used to protect the items here. Here you can see Swiss Link. And let's take a look at the smallest item first. This is a French Army parachute knife. And you can see here a very hard plastic casing, possibly glass reinforced. I'm not quite sure, but is very firm texture there. You can see the markings there. TB, large hole here, possibly for helping to pull out or slipping some sort of lanyard. You can see here plastic mold marking there. Indicator arrow. Protective hook shape. And here we have I believe a tension knob. Okay, and looks like it should slide. Okay, so here's our blade. You can see here it does fit the shape of the protective surface there. Hook, flat edge all around here, so that's not sharpened. Very sharp point there, and not ground on this side, just on this side. So that is pretty sharp. So this is for cutting cords, etc. So we don't. Let's see if we can see what's magnetic on here. Oop, blade's magnetic, not the casing itself. Ooh, knob is magnetic. And I'm curious about this here. That appears to be magnetic as well. This shaft right there does appear to be a different color as well, so it might have some sort of titanium or some sort of different alloy for strength and keeping the weight low. You can see here this can be locked into place in different positions or fully extended. So, French Army parachute knife. Then we have a larger object here. Let's go ahead and take this out of the bubble wrap. Okay, I've gone and cut most of the material away to save some time here. But just for some ASMR, if you folks are really into that. A lot of bubble wrap. And I've been wanting to pick up one of these types of items for a while. I'm sure there's people who actually collect these, but these are a little bit pricey. And this was actually on sale for quite a discount. And I will get to the description itself. Some people may actually recognize this already, because this is available from different vendors. I just happened to get this one from Swiss Link. This is a Czech microscope from Meopta, a BC28. So it's been a long time since I've actually used a microscope, but I thought I would like to get one just for the sake of having one. So here's our quick markings. See there, serial number made in Czechoslovakia, Praha, Meopta, BC28, an SV code. You can see here, this does appear to be new. You can see leather strap with its attachments, the base plate. I don't want to turn it over in case the contents may be gravity placed in there, but to give you an idea of the adjustment feet right there. And the base, this does have a significant weight to it. And now, how to figure out how to get this open. I may pause the camera for a second. Okay, it took me a minute to figure this out. If you notice here on the strap, we have an actual key right here. And if you look here at the ends of the strap, the attachment point, you can see the key points right here. So this actually cams into here, and you can rotate the locking mechanism like so. And I'm not sure if I just locked it or unlocked it, so give me a second. This is kind of dated, but I just got it to work, so give me another second. So once you've unlocked that little tab there, it frees up this portion here, and then you can actually hinge, as you can see, the openings. So I'm going to try to do it on this point here, like so. Okay. Let's see if I can take the lid off. I'm not sure how long this has been stuck in the case, so I'm not sure if this really wants to come apart. So I may have to do another pause. Okay, yeah, this is a really tight fit. So, we got instructions. We got a wooden box. Let's try to remember how this all came together. And you can see it is disassembled, so I will try to do a little bit more research at some point and do maybe a more in-depth show and tell. Just want to show you a quick unboxing. Let's see what's in this really quick. You see the felt protection square there. And you can probably put slides in this. So this is probably a slide box. Looks like a packing piece of cardboard. I'm just going to keep that there. Looks like there's actually pre-drilled holes through it for vents or something. I don't want to keep this too exposed for dust purposes. It does seem to have the lens set, the ocular piece, whatever. You see here retention clips. I'm not sure how these would fold out to release the various size lenses. The lenses themselves appear to have caps on them to help keep them dust protected. Looks like there's some sort of protective or just an inserted piece of paper there. Not exactly lens paper. More lenses on this side for various magnifications. Control knobs. This thing is rather heavy, so I'm going to set it down real quick. So you notice the red alignment dot for the casing, but pretty much analog style microscope. Quick look at the pamphlet. That's how it would look assembled. See here the light reflector there. And quick look at the interior, the style with the photographic type of images and instructions in Czech, Slovakian from Meopta. But you see on the inside there, looks like we have a little bit more stuff. Carefully take this out. It's stuck under some of that points. I'm not sure what this is. There is a kind of acetate protection shield there. Looks like some sort of cloth here. Does not appear to have anything inside it. Here we have some sort of letter of guarantee. Very interesting. Looks like some inspection marks on there, so perhaps this has been used. It's just in really good condition. We have another box here. Let's see if I can get this out. It is stuck in there pretty good. So I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure what is actually. Oh. Okay. Looks like for some maintenance tools. And the reflector probably. So again, don't know a lot about this particular model. It's been a long time since I've used a microscope. There's something under here I can see. I'm going to put this back here really quickly. Ah, it's a little brush. So here we have cloth and brush. Okay, put that back. Retention clip right there, which I didn't see in the first place. So if we re-itemize what we have here, I'm not going to bother putting this back at the moment. We have here a Meopta BC28 SV. I'm not sure of all the model numbers involved with this, but it is a microscope. And some more of the packing pieces there. And again, this was the key to release the end locks at the strap points here, which would then let you manipulate the latch mechanism on both ends for this cover. Make sure you line up the red dots on here with the red dot on the base right there. And we had started off originally with a French Army parachute knife. And this all came from Swiss Link. So feel free to check them out. The large variety of items, strange items as well. Swiss Link. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Microscope tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.